Hi friends, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to show you the basics of Unity. Yes, I'm back to Unity. So I'm going to show you how to download Unity and start on with it and start making games. So for you all who don't know what Unity is basically a platform or a software where you can make Android or Windows or iOS or basically any type device games. So let's just start. So first, to download Unity, go to a web browser and type in Unity download. The first link will be this one. Click on it. This is the screen you will see when you click on the link. There will be two options, that will be choose your Unity plus download or the download Unity hub option. So if you want to just start right off the bat getting Unity started, making games, just choose your Unity plus download, just choose that option. And this is the screen you will see. Now if you are new to Unity, I recommend going with the individual packs, and if you're a student, why are you here? Anyway, if you are a student, you can check this pack, and if you want to do it yourself or like for fun or something, you can check the personal pack. Both of these are completely free and they include all of the best features and everything. Now if you're coming back to Unity and are pretty much a pro, you can check the Plus, Pro and Enterprise options, which are also really cool, but they are a bit expensive, so you can check it out. They have pretty nice features, so you can check those out. But for first time use, I recommend the individual packages. So I'll just click on the personal to show you how it works. So you can see this screen, the start creating with Unity, and then you can have two options which I told you before, first time users and returning users. So if you're a first time user, you know what to do, and if you are returning, you also know what to do. So why am I saying this? Anyway, when you click on start here, they will give you a tutorial on how to download Unity, how to start it, and then even like some basics of Unity. So if you want to continue with that, you can go with that, or you can watch my tutorial. So after you have downloaded Unity, you will see this application in your computer called Unity Hub. Open that up, and this is the screen you will be able to see. So there are four tabs on the left here, that is the projects, learn, community and installs. The projects have all of your projects. The learn tab includes all the projects they give you, which are like the Lego micro game, the FPS micro game, or you can get the micro games. So basically you get the basics of Unity and you can get started. So they give you a bit of a tutorial at the start, but I don't think that's very helpful, sorry. Though my personal opinion, just don't do that, they are a little confusing. So these are all the things in the learn tab. Then there's the community, which I prefer you leave for now. And then there's the install. So if you downloaded Unity just now, you can get the latest version right here. For me it is 2020.1.14 F1. This was an older version, so I guess I could delete this now, but I won't. Anyway, so those were the four tabs. Now if you want to start on the games and stop me making you bored or something like that, just go to the projects tab and click on new, and then this kind of window will pop up where you can just name your project, you can customize the location of the project, and you can even add some templates. So if this is your first game, I prefer going to 3D because we're gonna get to know the basics of 3D. And just I'm going to name it something I want. You can name it whatever you want. So I just named it that real quick. And when you press create, it will automatically open a new Unity scene. So let's just wait for that. Until then, I'll just pause the recording because it takes a lot of time. Okay, so I have loaded up Unity, and first time you load up Unity, this is the scene you will see. And at the top you can see the name of your game and the scene, which is the sample scene that's default, and then the platform you are making it on, and then the version. So that is that. And this is what you will see in the workspace. This is the scene workspace, and this is the scene tab. So in the workspace tab you get three tabs by default, which is the scene, the game, and the asset store. The scene is where you'll be spending most of your time making the game, and the game is where you basically play your game, just test it out how it's working. The asset store we'll talk about later. So how to navigate around the scene? First we'll check that. So firstly, if you want to orbit around an object like the lights, the directional light here is my main view or something. So just press Alt and then drag the left mouse button that zooms in and out. And now if you want to move your view, just left just drag the left key mouse, just drag it around and you'll be looking around the scene. So that's that. Then if you want to zoom in, you can also have the scroll wheel do that. And if you want to navigate around the scene, basically you can either, there are two options for navigating around. You can just press Q and then with the left mouse button you can navigate around, or you can be in another mode and then just your middle mouse button, something like blender, so just middle mouse button and then you can navigate around just like you did with the hand. So that is pretty much the basics of navigating around. Now this on the left side here you will see the hierarchy tab. This is where your objects or uh, objects will be listed down. So that is the hierarchy, and down here you will see another little window which will have two tabs, the project and the console. So the project tab is basically like a file explorer in Unity. It basically stores all of your prefabs and scenes. I'll tell you what prefabs and scenes are later in the video. And then in the console tab, basically this is very important. The code you write for your games, the errors and the warnings will basically come here. And this is also like the console where if you want to check anything, you can just like debug.log, and if it works it will come in here. So that's this. And then on the right here you will see the inspector tab. This has the main components or information about the object you've selected. So if I want to select the main camera, I've selected the main camera. You can see that we have two objects in the scene and they are listed in the hierarchy here. So if I select the main camera, I can see every information about it. So the name, the mesh renderer, then the transform. Transform is basically the position, rotation and scale of the object. Then basically every little information in here. So that is the inspector tab. Then that's pretty much it. You can customize the scene, you can drag it around, whatever you want to do with it, just have some fun with it. And when you want to go back to your default layout, just click here and click default. It will go back to the default layout. So that was pretty much it for the basics, and thank you all for watching. I just really appreciate it that you watched it till the end. And thanks once again for watching. Hit the like if you liked the video and hit the dislike if you didn't. So stay tuned until the next video. Till then, bye bye.